Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is a new vlog and pupunta ako ngayon sa library para i-claim yung pinaka-inintay kong libro na hiniram 3 months ago pa. So ang tagal na nun. Pina-reserve ko yung book around October last year. So ngayon lang naging free. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng opportunity para mabasa yung libro. Kasi nga yung libro na to is in demand talaga. Sikat yung libro na to and very controversial, especially sa US. Kaya naman ay nung nalaman ko about that book ay talagang pina-reserve ko siya kahit na mahaba yung pila, ay nagtiis ako and naging patient sa pag-antay ng libro kasi I'm sure na madami akong matutuklasan na information doon na hindi nababalita sa TV. So, yung book na yun is very popular and hindi mo siya mahanap sa kahit na anong library. Bihira lang ito and hindi mo din to mabibili sa Amazon. If there are some versions ng book na to or kung meron mang available na book online, mga ano na yun, mga use, yung mga dati ng mga libro. Kasi nga yung book na yun ay naban na sa distribution. So hindi na siya in-encourage na i-distribute yung book na yun kasi nga ay very controversial yung book na yun. And since very controversial, mahilig tayo sa mga controversial na mga books, and so I found na meron dito sa library. So when I found and learned na may available na book na ganun dito sa library, and I immediately reserve it. But it took me 3 months para magkaroon ng opportunity na basahin to. Ngayon, i-claim na natin sa library yung copy ng book na yun. It's an original book na ang title ng book na yun ay Hollywood Babylon. So, ikukwento ko later on kung ano man yung nilalaman ng book kasi nga it's a very very controversial na book and naban na siya sa distribution sa market. So, hindi mo na siya mabibili online. So, as usual, ay naglakad lang tayo from the house going to library kasi meron tayong target for today to reach 7-kilometer run and 10,000 steps. Yeah. So I just reached yung library. Medyo maulan sa labas kaya medyo hindi maayos yung buhok natin. Pero well, anyway, i-claim natin yung book later on. And aside from claiming yung book, ay magpapaprint din tayo dito sa library. So sa mga hindi nakakalam, mura lang ang printing services dito sa library if you are a member dito sa library. And I think even if you're a guest, you can come here and print your documents. Per page ay 20 cents lang. And you can, apply for membership naman dito sa library. And yeah, and after that ay pipirmahan ko yung paper na yun and then I will scan it. Yung scanning dito is libre. So maganda yun. And they have as well computer items that you can use for free. And meron din silang wifi for free. So lahat ay halos free na. So ganun kaganda yung library dito. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng library at i-claim na yung book and para makapagpaprint na din tayo ng document. Hinahanap ko ngayon yung book kung saan yung shelf number at hindi ko siya mahanap. Hopefully nandito lang siya sa may nakita ko na yung book. So ito yung book na hiramin natin Yung title ng book ay Hollywood Babylon by Kenneth Angers. So yun, maganda to, very controversial to, and thankfully ay dumating na din dito, ready to for pick up, and pwede ko na ding basahin. So tara, simulan na nating basahin yung book. And yeah, it's a very old book, pero I'm very happy na finally ay mababasa ko na din after 3 months na paghihintay. And yeah, tara, tingnan natin. So andito na yung yung book. Hawak ko na ngayon at hindi ko pa muna binasa. But anyway, babasahin ko later on yung book na ito. So nandito na sa akin yung book na ang title is Hollywood Babylon. And yung author nito ay si Kenneth Anger. So yun, it's a 1975 book. Ang nilalaman ng book na to ay stories ng mga corruptions and scandals sa Hollywood. So yeah, sabi dito, it's the legendary underground classic of Hollywood's darkest and best kept secrets. So yeah, mababasa natin dito yung lahat ng mga scandals sa Hollywood at saka yung ano ba yung kalakaran sa Hollywood sa US. So ayan guys, it is a very interesting book kasi madaming mga hindi na exposed na mga scandals na andito mismo nakasulat sa book na to. We don't know talaga yung kalakaran sa Hollywood, but anyway, sabi dito is yung Hollywood Babylon was originally published in Paris and quickly became an underground legend. Not a word has been changed, not a story omitted. Here is the hot, luscious plum of sizzling scandal that continues to shock the world. So andito yung mga hidden secrets, mga scandals, anomalies ng mga lahat ng mga artista or anyone who is working sa movie industry sa Hollywood, sa United States. So ayun, madaming mga juicy stories na nakita ko dito kanina habang binabrowse ko yung table of contents, and it's gonna be interesting, but I'm gonna share with you yung content ng book na ito once I read the whole book. Yeah, this book was published in 1975 and hindi na siya available sa market, and you could not find this book sa mga online stores kasi nga it was already banned by the government or by the rich people or sa mga members ng mga or sa mga artista mismo. I think it is already banned. That's why you could not purchase this one online. Even sa Amazon ay hindi na din siya available. Yeah, but luckily when I went on to search this book dito sa library nito, it just happened na it is available here, but there are only 4 copies available dito sa so far sa Auckland. And it took me 3 months to reserve this book and to finally read this book, because there are many people who are really interested in reading this book. So ayun siya, makapal itong book na to. It's around 400 plus pages, so I'm not really sure kung matatapos natin na ito within this week, but I will try my best to finish this one para sa ganun ay ma-share sa inyo yung content ng book na to in a separate video. And at the same time ay nakapag-print na din ako ng document dito sa library. Gumawa kasi ako ng letter and isasend ko later on sa Pilipinas yung letter na yun. Yeah. And sabi ko nga kanina, it's very cheap dito. Kung gusto nyo mag-print, go to the library para mag-print ng mas mura. Ang per page nila dito is 20 cents only. And you have to be a member sa library. And yung membership naman is walang bayad, walang membership fee. So it's very easy. You can come to the library, sign up, and be a member so that you could use yung mga facilities, so that you can use the facilities of the library. Free internet, free Wi-Fi, free computer, and free scanning. And if you want to print, you need to pay 20 cents per page. So yun, hindi na siya mahal, kasi kung doon ka sa labas nag-print ay around $1 per page yung babayaran mo, or yung pinakamura or pinakamahal na narinig ko or nakita ko. Kasi if you print outside the library, it will cost you around $1 to $1.5 per page. So napakamahal. So you have to avail yung membership, kasi it's free naman. Free yung membership ng dito sa library. So they will give you a card, a membership card, and you will have your own password to use sa mga computer, sa printing, sa scanning, and you can also use this one for reservation ng book. And you can access yung yung account mo online, and the good thing is you can also book your book online. So it's very convenient and it's very easy, yeah. Madaming mga books dito na pwedeng ipa-reserve or basahin. And you can, another good thing about being a member sa library, if you find any book or interesting books from other library, you can actually choose to deliver it in the library closest to your place. So, and you can also return the same book doon sa library na gusto mong puntahan, or maybe the nearest library to you. So, yeah, so it's very convenient. You don't need to travel to other libraries just to pick up or to reserve yung books, kasi nga meron tayong online account, and you can also borrow books from other libraries and change the pick-up locations to the nearest library to you. So yan guys, madaming mga tao dito sa library, kaya hindi tayo masyadong nag-iingay. Well, anyway, uuwi na din ako later on kasi kailangan kong mag-aral ng theory exam for the driver's license. Yun, I will make another video later on kung paano or kung ano yung updates ko about sa driver's license. Yeah, I'm planning to take the theory exam ng driver's license dito sa New Zealand, and ito yung binabasa ko na book. So kailangan nating magbasa, ang dami nating kailangang basahin ngayon ng mga libro, but ito yung priority ko. Ito yung priority ko ngayon, yung matapos yung learner's license, para sa ganun ay makakuha na tayo ng driver's license dito sa New Zealand. So if you are interested later on how to take the exam, let me know sa comment section down below. If you are interested to know more about Hollywood Babylon, and also about yung process of getting a driver's license dito sa New Zealand. So, ayan guys, thank you so much for watching sa ating channel. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and like my video, and please don't forget to leave comments sa ating comment section and let me know kung ano yung mga topics na gusto nyong ikwento ko later on sa mga next videos. So until then, thank you so much and bye bye. Peace. God bless.